Hello friends, today I'm going to show you why not to use merge and center, what problems you can get it with this, and how to solve those problems. So let's take an example of this sheet I have. So this is my title. So let's say I want to basically bring the title in the center. So normally what we would do is we would click on the merge and center, bring it here, increase the size as we like. Let's say these three columns need to be together for the product information and these three or four for the sales info. And maybe this one I want to merge like this. For the channel partners, left line this, and enterprise merge like this and left line. So this is a normal way that we would merge and center the columns. But let's say I want to select this column here. So if I'm selecting like this and scroll down, you can see it selects other columns which I don't want. So that is one problem that it created when you have merge and center. And there are a couple of other issues you would see with merge and center in sorting and a lot of other filter options. So there's a better way of how to avoid all these things and use something else than the merge and center. So another thing you must have noticed that I had to apply the merge and center to every place. I had to click here and then click back here to apply those settings. So let me show you another way of doing it now. So let's go back to our original sheet here. But this time I'm going to select this here and press Control 1 for formatting cells. And I'm going to go to horizontal and choose center cross selection and hit OK. So this is exactly looks like merge and center, but I can click on the format painter and paint this format over here and over here. So now this gives me the look exactly like as if I have merged and centered these columns, but they are not merged columns, these are separate columns. So for here, because we don't want these to be centered, so we don't want to use center across selection. For this, the better option would be to first of all remove all borders and then add only outside borders. Similarly, same thing here. I'm going to remove all borders and then add only outside borders. So this will give me the same look and feel. While you can see light gray lines here, but when I actually print this, like a print preview, those lines are not going to be visible in the printouts. So my friends, now start using center cross selection instead of merge and center. And thanks for watching.